In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inventory in QuickBooks Desktop. First, open QuickBooks Desktop and sign in to your company file. Make sure you're in the correct company and that your user has permission to add items. If your books have a close date or you're working in a locked period, it's a good idea to coordinate with whoever manages your accounting so your new items post to the right period. Next, head to the inventory area. In QuickBooks Desktop, you can work from the Inventory Center or the Item List. Both show your existing products and are great places to organize and search. This is your home base for managing the items you buy and sell, so take a second to confirm you don't already have a similar item to avoid duplicates. Now, create your new item by selecting New. You'll see the Item Setup window open. This is where you define exactly how QuickBooks should track and value this product. Choose Inventory as the item type. In QuickBooks Desktop, this is typically called Inventory Part. Selecting the correct type matters because inventory items post to three key accounts: your inventory asset on the balance sheet, cost of goods sold when you sell, and your income account for the revenue side. If you accidentally choose a non-inventory type, quantities on hand won't be tracked. Fill in the item details carefully. Start with a clear item name or SKU and, if you use categories, assign one that matches your product family. Add descriptions for sales and purchases so your invoices and bills read the way you want. Enter your sales price and standard cost. Even if costs fluctuate, a good baseline helps with pricing and margins. Select the correct income account for sales, your cost of goods sold account for purchases, and your inventory asset account for tracking value. If you regularly buy this item from a specific supplier, set a preferred vendor to speed up purchase orders. Add a reorder point so QuickBooks can flag low stock. If you're setting an initial quantity on hand, enter the quantity and an as-of date that aligns with your accounting period. Using the wrong date can distort past balances. If your company charges sales tax on this item, pick the appropriate tax code. And if your addition includes advanced inventory features like locations or bins, complete those fields to match how you store items. When everything looks right, save the item. You'll see it appear in your list, ready to use on invoices, sales receipts, bills, and purchase orders. Repeat these steps for each product and review your inventory valuation reports to confirm quantities and values look accurate.